Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, on a beautiful Friday afternoon from where else but the New York Stock Exchange. And later on tonight, we have Game 7, the two best words in all of sports. Also, today marks the final day of trade for the month of May. That's right, the month of May is coming to an end, so you know what that means. You want to get home early to watch the game, you want to enjoy the weekend, so we're going to get it started a little bit early here on Friday. It's an early edition of Happy Hour here in the Big Apple. U.S. stocks continuing to trade lower this Friday afternoon right behind me as the last day of trade for the month of May continues with investors taking in economic reports amid continued concerns about Greece. First, the second read of first quarter GDP showing a decline 0.7% as the economy struggled under heavy snowstorms and renewed strength in the U.S. dollar. Now, the government had forecast a drop of 0.7%. In addition, Chicago PMI unexpectedly falling to 46.2 in May versus a read of 52.3 in April, and consumer sentiment showing a final read of 90.7 for May. That's the lowest read since last November. Keeping in line with overseas information, European stocks, they're lower this afternoon. Greece keeping investors on edge after the Greek government said it hopes to reach a reform for rescue deal with its international bailout supervisors by this Sunday. However, European officials, they have denied a deal is near. And even Christine Lagarde, the head of the IMF, the International Monetary Fund, was quoted today in a German newspaper as saying that Greece, their talks could fail, therefore forcing the country to default on its debts. Now, you team that with the U.S. dollar trading flat against its counterparts with the euro just above $1.09, crude oil futures for July up 29 cents to just below $58 a barrel, and gold futures up about $1.70, then you have yourself a session right behind me here at the New York Stock Exchange, where for every two stocks declined, we have one advancer right here. So let's now take a look to see how the markets are shaping up to close out this, the final trading session of the week, as well as the final trading session for the month of May. And on the corporate front, we have to talk about the New York Post report that Intel is close to a deal to buy smaller chipmaker Altera for around $15 billion. In addition, for more corporate news, check out the earlier video of ModernWallStreet.com's Market Movers. And with that stated, again, tonight, Game 7. So kick back, relax. Let's go Rangers. I want to parade in New York. That's the only reason why. And I'll see you guys on Monday. For ModernWallStreet.com saying have yourself a great weekend, I'm James Sweeney.